Hey, to set up the Google Wallet on the Nothing Phone 2a, first of all, you have to get this application on your phone. That's quite obvious. But if you don't have it, just go to the Play Store, input the Google Play phrase, and simply pick the Google Wallet and download it. And after you download it, you can just simply open it. Now we have to wait for the loading screen. And as you can see from here, we've got the information that we can actually add the Google Wallet into the home screen. And now when you click to add the wallet, we can actually input some cards like payment card, transport pass, loyalty card, gift card, and from the photo we can actually get the pass from the barcode or the QR code. And if you want to add, for example, the payment card, you have to click right here. Now wait for the loading screen, and next all you have to do is just to input the card in this place, in this frame. And after you scan it, you have to actually reverse it and scan it one more time. For sure, right here in the right upper corner, you can turn on and off the flashlight if it is actually too dark. And you can also enter the details manually by clicking right here. So first you have to input the card number just in this place. And after this, you have to pick the valid date of your payment card. So I'm gonna input some random stuff, like for example, I don't know, maybe like this code, CVC code. And from this we have to also input our date, our data, so our name, the street address, and stuff like this. And so I'm gonna input here completely random stuff. We can also input here the fake phone number, click more, and as you can see in my case, actually that's invalid card number. But if you actually set up everything, you have to click save, and after this you will be able to locate your card just right here when you explore the wallet, so it will be available in this place. And also when you click on the right upper corner, we can find some contactless setup, and from this you can be sure that, for example, your smartphone have the NFC. The Google Pay is actually set as default. You have set the screen lock, and your phone meets security requirements. So actually on the Nothing phone, everything is fine. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe.